What is up, guys? My name is Bailey and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm gonna go over my Robinhood app, how much I've made from all my stocks, and also what you guys should be doing as the stock market has been taking a beating recently. So before I jump into the video, if you guys enjoy this type of content where I show you guys all my stocks, what I've been investing in, also what profits I've made from my Robinhood account, please smash that like button for me because it helps me out a tremendous amount and it only takes a couple seconds out of your day, and on top of it, it is completely free. So go down there, smash that like button until it turns blue, and maybe I'll throw in an Amazon gift card in this video. Wink wink. Also, a disclaimer for this is that I'm not an investing expert, I'm not a professional, but I'm just giving you guys my insight, my opinions about what you guys should invest in. This is what works for me. This is what I have learned from all the YouTube videos that I've watched. But ETFs that track the S&P 500 are not as risky as putting all your eggs in one basket. You can also invest into many different companies, but I like investing in this one ETF because it does all the work for me. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump straight into my phone to show you guys what I've been earning on Robinhood. As you guys can see, my Robinhood account is worth $10,850. It's around that range as of today. If I break down the last week, my account total has been down 3.8%, so I have lost about 430 bucks worth of profits on my account, unfortunately. And for the last month, it's down about 4.83%, so that's over $540. In the last 3 months, I'm up 3%, and the last year, I am also up about 3%. So if you scroll down to see what stocks I've invested in, currently I have about 30 stocks invested in VOO. This is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. If you go ahead and click into that, I'm going to show you guys my average buy-in for this. So the average cost that I've bought this is at $286.39. Recently, it has gone up pretty high. Let me show you guys the high. It's at $328. I bought some around $324 recently, and then it started dipping quite fast. And I bought some at $310. Then I bought some just today at $399. So right now it is pretty low. It is at a high discount in my opinion. So total as of today, it's made me $365 worth of profits after everything that I've invested. $8,957, that's the market value. Let's get out of here to show you guys what other stocks that I've also invested in. I just recently invested in Apple. I'm down on Apple because I bought at a pretty high point. And unfortunately, like I said, the stock market is taking a beating these days. So I'm down about $5 there. I also bought into the Vanguard high dividend. This one hasn't been paying out quite well. I have been getting dividends at 3.58%, but the overall capital gains is not that great. I've only earned about $10 from this, and I have about 4 shares invested into that one ETF. I bought some O Realty to get that high dividend, but the capital gains also have making me take a loss lately. I also bought 1 share of Coke, 1 share of Tesla, and Tesla's also taking a beating. I'm down $53, but I do think that Tesla is gonna bounce back up. I think that Tesla is a great company. I know everyone's talking about Tesla being overvalued, but I think that overall, in the long run, it will make sense for me to invest in a Tesla. So that is one company that I've been looking at and tracking, but I think I might still just put more money into the VOO ticker symbol. Once Tesla gets to a low enough point, I might put more money in there. But as of right now, since the stock market is taking a beating, I might hold off on that. I have some CPT, which is real estate stocks, 1 share of Microsoft, and OPK, which is something that I earned from referring someone to Robinhood. So if you guys want to join Robinhood and invest in some stocks, it is totally free to join. I will leave a link in the description down below. If you join with that link and deposit money in your account, you will get a free stock, and I will also get a free stock as well as a kickback. So if you guys haven't signed up for an account, go down there, let's get a free stock together, and let's earn some money as fast as possible. So since the market is pretty low now, I would recommend investing today, investing tomorrow. Just constantly put in money into your account and investing it into something that you believe in. I do believe in the VOO ticker symbol, like I said, since it does track the S&P 500 as an ETF. It also gives a decent amount of dividends per year. So that is something that I would recommend you guys doing, as everything is at a high discount. Just constantly invest into whatever you want to invest in since it is low. If you constantly look at your Robinhood account, you might get emotional about how much you're losing or how much you're earning, so you might pull out or sell your stocks. Invest for the long term. Just put money in as if it was a savings account. Overall, for the last year, for the VOO ticker symbol, it's made about 8%. So that is just something to keep in mind. invest in the long term. Don't invest as a short term. I mean, you totally could. Investing in the long term has a lot of benefits, like you pay less in taxes if you don't pull out your money, and also there's a snowball effect. If you put more money in, that money will work for you, and then it'll constantly work for you. So it multiplies over and over again if you put more money into your account. Now that is pretty much what I have for you guys in this video. Like I said, I'm not a professional in investing. If you guys have any tips or tricks for me to learn, I'd love to hear them in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoy this type of content, please smash that like button for me. And like always, I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.